Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to find downloaded files in Telegram, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily find Telegram downloaded files. So there are multiple options to see your downloaded files. I will show you step by step. So first option is open your files or my files on your phone. Now open your internal storage and look for Android. Just tap on this. Now open this media by tapping on. Now you can see there is another folder org.telegram.messenger. Open this. Now you can see Telegram. Just open and you will see different type of folders for images, for videos, for files, for documents. It depends on which type of files you downloaded from Telegram. Now there is another option to find your downloaded files in Telegram. This is inbuilt. So to check that, just open your Telegram app from your phone. Now tap on this three line here and just tap on this settings. Now you scroll down and from here just tap on this data and storage. Now you can see there is an option for storage uses. Tap on this. Now go to the bottom of this page by scrolling. Now you can see there is a few tabs: chats, media, files, or maybe you can see document, this kind of. So from here you can see the downloaded files and you can get access when you are on offline also. So basically this is how you can easily find your downloaded files in Telegram. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.